Yes, good morning everyone. Ito na naman tayo guys at meron tayong panibagong gagawing music cover song ngayon, no. Pero bago ang lahat, nais ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat ng tumatangkilik sa aking video diyan guys, no. At nagla-like at nagre-react, no. Maraming salamat sa inyo at ay nagustuhan ninyo po ang aking ah, cover song. At ito guys, ito po yung full cover nung kina-cover ko nung nakaraan yung Still Waiting at the Door, song by Ernesto, no. Ito guys ay iko-cover ko para sa inyo at kung gusto niyo ang kantang ito guys, paki-share na lang guys, no, para maraming ma-inspired sa lyrics na ito. Ito ay para sa inyo guys at intindihin niyo na lang kahit ako ay medyo paos pa rin, pero aalayan ko pa rin kayo ng aking mga cover song. Thank you. I built our home with bleeding hands. Let it break with love and plan. You were my life, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper, oh, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wore your cup, I picked your tie. Watch your chest, your dreams and fly. I give you wings, I stay behind. But now you're gone, and so is time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touch the floor. Even faith begins to fade, but the love, it's always there. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear you call, to hear you say that I remember who you are. But wishes don't go that far. So I sing here on this stage, old and tired, full of age, not for gold, not for fame, just to call out your name. Still waiting, still the same. Yan, thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat po again, no? Bye bye guys and God bless you sa lahat ng mga nakapanood nito. Ah, thank you so much po at kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag kalimutan mag-like and mag-share. Thank you!